Peace everybody, it's your boy June back at it with another video from Getting To It TV. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my Instagram channel too. Like me on there, follow me on there. Today is a nice day for me. These is a pair I've really been wanting. As you see, I haven't been really putting too much videos up because I haven't been copping too much. But when I saw these, I knew I wanted them. You know what I'm saying? The summer sneakers you know you want. I wish I could have got two pair. Actually, Wifey picked them up for me on the sneakers app. Shout out to Wifey. Go follow her. You know what I mean? Glamour Girls. I think her name is Black Beauty now on Instagram. But let's get right to it, y'all. Getting To It TV. I hope everybody is doing real good. These came today. I just came from work. And Boo said, look, you got a package, June. I said, oh, man. Oh, man. I think these gonna be crazy. You know what they are by the title already. You know what I mean? For the people that don't like to read, you'll be in for a surprise. And where they say they come from, 125 Mount Zion Road, Lebanon, Indiana. You don't need to see all that packaging and stuff. Official here. You know what I mean? Scary with these boxes. I've been hearing everybody saying that. I was worried. I thought somebody might have got me for my new joints. Woo! I love it already. I love it already. Woo! 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 He's official. Oh, I had these joints tracked and all that. I don't know if y'all can see that. We don't need to see the paper. We're gonna get right to it though. You know what I mean? Look at this box, y'all. Look at this box. Nice. The red and black joint. Big size 12. Especially for me. Now, let's get to the real juicy part. I just came home, so this is a pleasant surprise. Wifey, like I said, the wifey got these for me. So they're very appreciated. I love the opposite color box. I love that. Ooh, look at that paper. Official. I haven't seen these yet. I haven't seen anybody do any unboxings. I haven't been really watching YouTube lately. Oh my God. Wow. 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 Nice. Why do they have red and green laces? Oh, first let's see what they give us, a little card. The fair card. Joint, the paper is really nice, different paper. I love these joints like this when they come like this. Well, let's get right to it, y'all. Woohoo! They almost look purplish in the light. Let me see if I could zoom in on these joints. They look crazy. They look nice. I must say, I like these a lot. I think, oh, the material is crazy. Jordan, 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 Jordan. I love this. The little zoom on the side there. Little serial number. The bottoms though, check out those bottoms, those icy bottoms. And these are nice, I must say. Oh, the tongue is perforated. I didn't even really notice that too much before. Oh, and they have the Zoom Air there for you. These are different. and the regular retros. Really different. Let's check out the inside. Take the shoe tree out. Oh, black with the red Zoom Air in there. Official. Official True Tree Jordan joint. Yeah, she got these off the SNKRS app. What's y'all thoughts on these? Me personally, I love them. The material is different though. It's like, I don't even know what to call this. I don't even know what to call this material. It's not, I don't think it's leather. It's like almost like a, I don't know. I gotta look it up and check it out. Leave comments on here. Tell me if y'all like these joints. I loved them at first sight. I knew I was gonna get them. And they reflect in the dark. Let's see if we can get another video. I'll get a video and throw it in there at the end for you guys. How about that? Let me get the other pair. Let me get the other shoe. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a little fearless. Like a, what does it say? Limits like fears are often just an illusion. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. What a great quote. And that's from MJ itself. Nice. I really like them. You know me, June, Air Jordan 1 fanatic. Big up to T Mark Got Kicks, Jordan 1 Squad, Jordan 1s only. These are really nice though. I don't know. They so different than any Jordan 1 that I had before. The materials are just crazy. And the color is crazy. See, just an overall look at the shoe and oh, look how they look. Oh, wow. Wow. These remind me of the All-Stars. I have those too, and the Chameleon 6s. I don't have the 6s, but I got the Jordan 1 All-Stars. They remind me of those too. That whole color scheme with the purplish green chameleon and then a icy bottoms. These look so clean. Check that out. And what is that on there? I don't know if it's a Z. It looks like a bunch of little Z's. Can you guys see that? This shoe is hot though. This might have been one of my most hyped pickups for the year. I'm not gonna lie, I got a lot of nice Jordan 1s this year. But these by far off top are one of my favorite. I got the Shadow Backboard 3.0. Got the Obsidian, UNC joints. But these are nice, I must say. These are nice, these were worth it. $175 retail. I heard they're selling out crazy too. But you know my size is not a money size, so I don't really resell and do shit like that. I'm more of a collector, I like just having them. Look how they look though. These things look crazy. Yo, tell me how y'all like these, man. These is, to me, these joints is crazy. They're like space age. I'm gonna get the video with the lights off too and show you the reflective because they 3M, so they shine in the dark. So we're gonna see how that goes too. You know what I'm saying? But I'm really happy Shorty got these for me. She knew I wanted them. I couldn't get them. My plug couldn't get them for me. So she went ahead and went on the SNKRS app and pulled that trigger like a real, you know what I mean? That's my boo, I love her. But yeah, just another video from me, your boy June, Getting To It TV. You know what I mean? Leave me some content though. Start interacting with me. Tell people to like the channel for me. Subscribe to it. You know, it costs nothing to subscribe. It's been a long day for me though. Quick vid for you guys. I'm never gonna forget about you, my followers that's been with me since day one. You know what I mean? I might do a giveaway soon again too. This year I don't know if it's over yet. We got a couple more weeks. I don't know. I don't see any releases that I want, but I might cop something. Oh, who knows? You know what I mean? Wifey and the kids said they're gonna start making more videos on the channel too, so we'll see what's up with that. But on that note, I'm gonna end it. You know what I'm saying? I do a thing called What I Want. Remember, take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Be good. This is June, live from Getting To It TV. Peace. This is with the lights off, people. So you see why I was so hyped about the shoe. These are going to be a nice rock. They look almost like a purplish blue magenta. But then it's like, yo, it's crazy. In hand, these are a good pair. Signing out, Getting To It TV.